Hi friends, I'm Mary at Alaskan Homemaker. Today we're going to make 3 appetizers: stuffed mushrooms, stuffed jalapenos, and a cranberry dip over cream cheese that can be served with crackers. So let's get started. I've got 12 ounces of cranberries right here, and I'm going to put those into my food processor. They've been washed and drained. Okay, we're going to get these green onions chopped up just a bit because the food processor will do most of the work for us. Okay, and I'm just going to chop the ends of the cilantro off, but I am going to use the stems and leaves of the cilantro. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lime juice in here. Actually, I think I'm going to put 3. And we're going to put an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to wait to put the sugar in. I'm going to chop this jalapeno up, but I'm going to put gloves on. I'm going to take the seeds out of the jalapeno. If you like spicy stuff, you could leave them in. Okay, and then I'm going to give this a rough chop. Put that in. I'm going to blend this up a bit, and then we're going to add the 1 cup of sugar. And you don't want it to be liquefied, you just want it to be chopped up really good. I'm going to get some of the bigger pieces down in there and add the sugar. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and here's what it looks like. And now I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for a little while we do the stuffed jalapenos and the stuffed mushrooms. Now we're going to make the stuffed mushrooms and stuffed peppers. I just wiped off the mushrooms, and then now I'm going to remove the stem. And I have a parchment paper lined baking sheet. That way it'll be less cleanup. So I'm just popping out the stem. Now we're going to make the cream cheese mixture. So I've got 2 blocks of cream cheese. I'm going to be cutting these jalapenos, so I'm going to put gloves on. I'm going to cut them in half lengthwise. And then I'm going to get all the seeds out. And I'm using a spoon to scrape out the seeds. That's the oven coming to temp. I forgot to tell you I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, that was our last one. Now we're going to add bacon bits and cheese. And you can do what you think looks good in here. And if you wanted to, you could do cooked sausage in here. You can change it up. You can put any spices you want. I'm just going to be putting bacon bits and sharp cheddar cheese in mine. that looks. And then I'm just gonna leave this glove on and squish. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more bacon bits and cheddar cheese. I'm just squeezing the cream cheese and mixing in that cheese and bacon bits, and that looks pretty good. So there's what we've got. Okay, now I'm going to take a spoon and stuff these peppers and mushrooms. Just going to get a spoonful and squish it down in there. These appetizers are super fast, and that cranberry cream cheese dip is going to look so beautiful on a holiday table for an appetizer. With that red and green, would look really beautiful for Thanksgiving and Christmas. These are all delicious, and we like to dip our stuffed mushrooms and peppers in ranch dressing and serve them that way. And the cranberry cream cheese dip we like to serve with crackers. It is really delicious. You guys are gonna love that. And there's no specific amount, I just stuffed it till it looks good. Okay, I have a little bit of mix left over. I have some more mushrooms in the refrigerator, but I don't want to use all of them right now. I just wanted to bake some for tonight, and then you can just save this and bake some more tomorrow or whenever you want to. Okay, now we're going to get these in the oven, and I'm going to check them at about 10 minutes and see how they're doing. These were in the oven for 15 minutes at 350, and now they're finished, and now we're just going to plate them up. There we go. And we're going to serve the stuffed peppers and stuffed mushrooms with ranch. There we go. And I left this block of cream cheese out so that it could get softened up. So now we're going to get the cranberry dip ready. Put this on a saucer. And then here's our cranberry mixture that we made earlier. And we're going to just spoon some of this over. And look at that color, that red and green is so beautiful for the holidays. This would make a great appetizer for any gathering, a potluck, the holidays coming up. It's really delicious. And you can adjust the sugar and lime juice to your taste for this. And we're going to have a lot left over, so you could half the recipe if you wanted to, if you didn't want to have this much left over. Okay, it's time to taste it now. Here's the jalapeno. That's really good. A little bit of ranch on here. Taste the mushroom. That's really good. Here's our cranberry cream cheese dip. That is really good too. It's really, the tart cranberries with the sugar and the lime juice and everything mixed together over the cream cheese is really good. You guys are going to love these appetizers. And they're super easy to make. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.